Welcome to Rajendra Tandon videos. We take up 3 more of problems relating to children: sleeplessness, sore throat and tonsillitis, insect bites or stings, I do not have to define sleeplessness. Everyone knows about it. If the child does not get sleep because of fright, agitation or anxiety, it is running temperature, give Aconite 30. If the child has frightful visions, he has fear, he is agitated, he cries continuously for no reason, his temples are throbbing, his head is hot, Belladonna 30 is the medicine. Belladonna. If the sleep doesn't come because of pleasant excitement, the child is laughing, playful, his brain is overactive, we give Coffea 30. COFFEA 30. In sensitive children, if sleep doesn't come because of nervous excitement, Hyoscyamus 30 is the medicine. HYOSCYMUS 30. And if the sleeplessness is due to indigestion, in the early morning hours around 3 a.m., give Nux vomica, NUXVOMICA 30, and the child will go to sleep. If the child is unable to sleep after a heavy meal, Pulsatilla 30 is the remedy. Try and it will succeed. Coming to the second item in this video, a simple sore throat can be due to congestion. While tonsillitis is an inflammation of the tonsils and very common with children, there is a sensation of scraping, of heaviness in the throat. In tonsillitis, tonsils are swollen, they are deep red. Sometimes there are white patches on the tonsils with shooting, piercing pain. The child runs temperature, or the tonsils can be purple. There is difficulty in empty swallowing. You can look at the tonsils easily with a torch beam. Take note of swelling, if any, of the color of the throat, or patches of pus on the tonsils or other surfaces, because these observations will decide the medicine. In the initial stages with fever, when the tonsillitis happens or sore throat comes on exposure to dry, cold air, give Aconite 30. The child is hoarse, the throat is dry, there is a scraping sensation. If the throat is bright red when you are looking with a torch, inflamed tonsils with fever, hugely swollen, painful, Belladonna 30 is the remedy. It helps immediately. Sore throat because of taking cold drinks or water after a greasy bite require Bryonia 200. BRYONIA 200. A general pain in the throat, which can be acute or chronic, requires Baryta Carb, BARYTA CARB 30. One of the finest remedies for tonsillitis when there are white pus patches on the tonsils in the throat. There's piercing pain on empty swallowing, the sensation of a deep cut. A very young child may not be able to tell it, but you can see those white patches with a torch. Normally there will be temperature also. Such cases require HEPAR-SULPH, HEPAR-SULPH 30. If the heaviness in the throat is due to congestion, there is a wheezing sound, give Ipecac 30 to get immediate relief. If the torch light shows the throat to be purple, there is difficulty in empty swallowing. It is worse on the left side. Lachesis 30, LACHESIS 30 is a great remedy. I have found that there is no need to go for surgery. These medicines, in particular belladonna, HEPAR-SULPH or lachesis as the case may be, take care of the tonsils. The third item in this video is stings or insect bites. Acute swelling, sudden inflammation, fever require Aconite 30. Insect bites, stinging pain, swelling, the primary remedy is Apis, APIS 30. It is made from honeybee poison. Similia similibus, like treats like. So the honeybee poison treats honeybee poison or poison from any other insect. In punctured wounds, in insect bites, and anti-tetanus, give Lidum 30 and alternate it with Aconite or Apis. I have described symptoms and their medicines. I have tried them several times on several people and on myself as well. I am sure you would benefit if you listen to this video carefully, make a distinction of symptoms and choose the proper remedy. Thank you for visiting this site and listening to me.